I'm in Montenegro. Let's go pay card. We're getting some water bottles for our road trip. We should totally stop and click pictures here. I think we should totally click pictures. We're gonna eat this. I'm not kidding. Like, the camera is doing no justice to how pretty the scene is. It's gorgeous, just like the song. We're here at the resort. We're gonna go in and see. Hi guys, welcome to Montenegro. Finally, so excited to be here. This trip, I had to plan and replan like 3-4 different times, and I finally made it, so I'm very glad I did. This is my outfit, jeans along with jacket, my crop top. Honestly, it's like quite cold, not gonna lie. So I'm out here in the streets of Budva in Montenegro, and we're just gonna explore some things. I don't know, we've just parked the car somewhere and we have zero clue as to, like, that isn't even the parking, I think. We're just figuring out how the parking thing works here, and this is why I prefer taxis and not driving. By the way, I can't drive either. These people can. What happened?
It's free. We went inside the shop.
Okay, awesome. Parking was free. Life is beautiful. Budva is over 2,500 years old, making it one of the oldest towns on the Adriatic coast. The citadel fortress that you can see right behind me was built by the Venetians to protect from the Ottoman attack. The fortress now houses a library, a museum, and offers panoramic sea views. We're gonna go there in a short while. So I think I'm probably gonna upset someone. When you think about it, traveling in groups is actually quite hard, especially if you're vlogging. And I think I completely lost everyone right now. I'm not sure where anyone went. None of them have the internet. Where did my sister go? I can't find them and I'm lost. Okay, I found my sister. Here. I got lost. You should totally get the internet, please. These narrow stone streets are part of the medieval labyrinth built during the Venetian rule. These buildings use local limestone, giving that golden grey tone, and these air conditioners randomly sticking out. This is just the modern world trying to build in with the medieval world. Some of the streets still follow the old Roman grid, which is why it looks quite similar to Rome. And the architectural style is a mix of the Venetian, the Byzantine Empire, and a few others, which makes it very interesting. And it reminds me a little bit of Barcelona, Gothic Quarter. These streets are just so pretty. No matter where you are in the world, you'll always find a hard rock cafe somewhere. This church right here is the Church of Saint Ivan, also called as the St. John's Church. It was built in the 7th century with later Gothic and Baroque additions. This church is over 1,300 years old. It's really old. It was the Cathedral of Budva until 1828, dedicated to St. John the Baptist. The bell tower that you see was added in 19th century and is now a symbol of Budva's skyline. The stone wall behind the church leads to the citadel, where you can see the insane views of the Adriatic Sea. Yes, the same citadel that I talked about previously. One thing which you'll notice here is that almost all the places are cash only, and so you'll need to carry lots of euros, and they don't necessarily have paying by card options. So guys, it's finally time to eat something. Find something vegetarian, which is really hard. Oh my god guys, this is beautiful. Tomorrow we should come here, rent a boat. This looks nice. Let's buy a souvenir. You already bought a souvenir? When? She bought a souvenir without telling me. I was just walking casually in this beautiful street and then I see this. I was like, oh my god, that's so scary. But I'm pretty sure the place that we decided has good pasta, like I could tell.
It was the smell.
It was the smell that gave it away.
Authentic Italian smell that we had, like.
But I don't think the owners were Italian, to be honest. Back at the restaurant. This is my pasta. This is my sister's pasta. Mushroom. This is arrabbiata. Taste this. It's very fresh pasta. Very nice. You like your pasta? Feed your siblings if you fight with them. So, sibling rivalry is over. Good morning from Montenegro. I'm here out in the balcony. We made some noodles. Also, I did not have any traditional dish from Montenegro yet. It's kind of hard to find vegetarian dishes here, which was unexpected. So everything that I've eaten has been Italian food because pasta and pizza have vegetarian options. So that's good. You can make me lose my breath. So guys, we are basically just stuck. We've taken so many different paths. No one speaks English. I met this dog, by the way. It's so cute. We were going around and around for like 45 minutes. By the way, my sister suggested this very interesting thought that we go directly to the Blue Caves. Stupid idea. We have made it to some beach. I'm not sure which beach. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, look at the blue waters. We went to the Zanjice beach in Montenegro, which we accidentally found, and we were super lucky because there was absolutely nobody on the beach. It was super empty. We just got a private space just to ourselves. There's a family-owned restaurant where they had a boat. We rented that. It was around 20 euros per person, and they'd take you around the Blue Caves and show you around the other caves as well. This is the Blue Caves in Montenegro. This is awesome because there's nobody here. But look, the tides are so high though. These are the Blue Caves in Montenegro. Quite similar to Blue Grotto in Capri, which I went last year. Go into the Blue Caves, the sunlight bounces off the white seafloor and the whole cave literally glows neon blue. It's just like CGI. The cave is massive, but when it's empty, it usually kind of feels surreal, and we were super lucky because we were the only ones there. What's the cave called?
Batman Cave, yes.
Oh, why is it called Batman Cave?
Bats in there.
There are bats in there. How deep is it?
3-4 meters.
That's it? I thought it would be deeper than that. It's so nice and sunny. Honestly, I miss the sun so much.
You know you make me lose my breath. Just pull me closer.
Just across the river, that side is Croatia, and we're currently in Montenegro. But if you go that way, we'll be in Croatia. Funny part is, since we use a UK SIM, it like works in EU areas. Croatia is within the Schengen zone. So once we like went slightly over there, we could get cell reception, which is just so funny. We're back at dock. Yes, I'll come. Oh, thank you. So that was our trip. Now we're gonna lay by the beach, have some fun. Can't probably swim because it's really cold, but let's see. And our tour guide, Ivan, was awesome as well. The nice thing is that we've got the entire beach to ourselves. This basically when we went to the caves and stuff in the sea. I'm just at this restaurant by the beach, and this beach is called, name will be right here because it's very hard to know. It's hard to pronounce. Zambian beach. So they're eating margarita pizza. Which risotto? Chicken risotto.
Capricious.
I have no clue what that means. This is pizza vegetarian, and again vegetarian pizza, and my sister's having wine. Nice. We went to Montenegro in May, and the weather was sort of a mixed bag. Sunny on some days, grey on the others. We paid 20 euros per person for the boat, the sunbed, and 10% off all the food items. Since we went a little bit off season, I guess the prices might fluctuate. So guys, I'm just laying here on the sunbeds, chilling for a little bit. I'll go for a little swim. Honestly, the water is so cold. Everyone else is refusing to go to the water. I completely forgot to bring one of the pieces for my GoPro. I can't actually like take you completely with me to the beach, but we can try. Microphone is still attached, so a little risky, but let's go. Oh my god, the water is so cold. Like, it's absolutely trying to say that Sam, don't go in, but I will, because I'm not afraid of the water. It's so clear, as you can see. Probably it's just so clear. Man, it's so cold. See all those people? They are just asking me. They're asking me if they should go or not. I'll say why not, even if it's a little bit cold. But still here, at least you can get some good pictures and then maybe not swim.
You won't let me down. Let me do things to you, making sure you won't forget.
That was my little beach session that I went. The water was not that cold now that I took a little dip and little swim. It wasn't that bad. Now I'm gonna relax on the beach bed here, which looks atrocious right now. I have changed into my favorite Madrid jersey. Worn a jeans and my jersey now. And then we'll be heading back to our hotels. Tomorrow I've got a really early morning flight from here back to London, and all these guys will be going back day after on Monday. These people weren't even going to go in the water. I forced everyone. I was like, guys, we should go. And they did. It was nice. I really enjoyed it.
Holding me close. I know you won't let.
I'll miss you, Mamula Island. Looks so beautiful. So guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you the sunset. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. So beautiful. Now we're going out for dinner. It's like quite late. Not late actually. By London standards it is late though. In Old Town, back here again. You can look at it. It's so beautiful at night as well. We are back outside, roaming around the streets in the same area that we were yesterday, because apparently all the restaurants are closed. We're hungry, like really. So we've sent our sister up there. She's right there. Wave your hand.
But everyone is eating and it's a very nice place. You can come in.
Are you sure? We'll just go and try it anyways. This place is called Shanghai. Finally got a seat here at this Chinese restaurant called Shanghai. Thanks to my sister who did little interventions. They're playing Baby Baby and slow-mo romantic sort of vibe is going on here. And we are very non-romantic. Everyone is single. My sister thinks that the waiter is being a little racist towards us. It's an Asian restaurant. Waiter's white. We're Asian. I mean, it's not blatant outright anything, but it's very subtle. And I think like he's talking to other people nicely and then he's not talking to us nicely. Could not be racist, I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't want to say things, but yes, like all the people so far have been very nice and not racist, but I can't help with him. I got Singaporean noodles right here. These are vegetarian maki rolls that my sister and I will share, and she got fried rice, egg fried rice. The rice is very dry. This Chinese food without any Chinese spices, which is very interesting. We're just strolling the streets. It's very pretty. It's giving a mixture of like Rome and Prague, but it has its own charm. So these guys are getting ice cream. I won't because I care about my throat. But it's a beautiful place. They're getting gelato. My sister was so happy. Oh my god. She actually spilled her ice cream. And then we got her a new one. I couldn't capture that on the video, but the lady was so nice. She's like, it's on me. And I was like, that's so sweet. Sorry guys, but I was too happy. That was all for my Montenegro vlog. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll be very happy to answer them. I think Montenegro is an amazing, underrated place which should be on your bucket list if it isn't. It's an amazing getaway from the UK.